And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:43 this morning, and it's still cold across the state of Texas. Although we've seen some improvement in some spots, particularly in South Texas, mainly because we've had thick cloud cover overnight, and so our temperatures were not able to dip that far. That freeze warning, that was really out of abundance of caution. We never really thought it was going to get very close to freezing. We just thought a couple spots would get to freezing. We may still see a couple spots, but most of us have stayed in the mid, even the upper 30s right now in Brownsville. Still very cold in Houston. Oklahoma City a little bit warmer, and actually it's a warm spell in North Dakota and Minneapolis. In fact, check this out. It's 23 in Houston, 26 in Minneapolis. That doesn't happen very often, but it's because the cold air has just shifted. Because check out these readings. This is exceptional cold for the Ohio Valley, the Southeast, 15 in Atlanta, 13 in Memphis, 12 in Charlotte. I mean, these are places known for their relatively warm weather. 25 in Jacksonville, way below freezing in Jacksonville. Even 45 in Miami. That's unusually cold for Miami. So the cold air has just shifted towards the south and east, so people are still suffering out there. Now for us, the high pressure is starting to shift to the east, kind of following the cold front, and so winds are starting to shift a little bit as well, particularly winds aloft. They're now moving over the Gulf of Mexico and into our area, and that's bringing us a little bit more humid conditions in here, and that's going to bring our rain chances up. But it's going to take a while because we still have very dry air right at the surface right now, and so it's going to take a while for the rain to start to fall. Now, 8 a.m., we might start to see a few rain showers along the coast, but most of us staying dry. As we get to around noon, notice a few showers start to work into the valley, but not much. One little green dot there. Later in the afternoon, there are a few more green dots, but even early this evening, still just isolated showers. As we get into later in the evening, though, notice the timestamp here, 11 o'clock, then we're talking about scattered showers, and really it's going to be during the overnight and early morning hours. It's mainly going to be scattered light rain. We're not talking about heavy downpours, and for most, rainfall amounts are only going to be probably around 1/4 of an inch or so. So we're not talking about really heavy rain, but it'll be out there and you're going to want the umbrella. Probably many will need it tomorrow morning, and it'll slow down the morning commute because even a little bit of rain has issues. Now in the afternoon, the rain's going to be backing off. Friday afternoon, back to just isolated showers. Maybe a few showers early Friday evening, but then I think we dry out Friday night, and then the weekend, wait till you see the weekend forecast. It's looking a lot better. 41 for our high today. I really don't think we're going to warm up very much. Some might get to about 42, 43, but that's it. And wind chills are mainly going to stay in the mid-30s. Not quite as breezy as yesterday, but winds still 10, 15 miles per hour, so you will notice it out there, and it's going to make it very unpleasant. We stayed dry for the most part during the day. Again, a few showers, but rain chances do go up tonight. So if you're going to be out late this evening, overnight, you're going to need the umbrella. And temperatures are just going to hang around 40 degrees for the most part with wind chills in the low 30s. But again, we're way above freezing, so we're not worried about any icing issues. In fact, over the next 7 days, it looks like we're not going to see temperatures near freezing. So we are done with the freeze after early this morning. Notice, not much better Friday. We're only going to make it about 10 degrees warmer, low 50s. But look at the huge warm-up that's on the way. From the low 50s on Friday to the low 70s Saturday. Now, there's going to be some fog Saturday morning, but we will stay dry, and I think we're going to see some sun in the afternoon. Same thing on Sunday. We'll start out with sun, then the clouds will increase, and we might see some showers Sunday night. Another cold front comes in. We'll be around 80 degrees, though. And notice, it's not nearly the kind of cold front that we saw 2 days ago. We're only going to cool down into the low 70s. One more cold front comes in Tuesday night, cools down to the upper 60s, but pretty small rain chances and pretty comfortable temperatures once we get through Friday.